In this video, you'll learn how to alert emergency services. If you witness an incident, do a quick analysis of the situation and the state of the people. It is best if you can get another witness to call emergency services. This will allow you to start giving first aid. Provide the emergency services with complete information. Be particularly careful to answer the emergency team's questions and provide the following information: your telephone number or the number of the nearest public phone, the exact location of the incident, the nature of the incident and any additional impending risks, the number of people affected, the apparent state of the people affected, any first aid that has been given. Do not hang up until the emergency services have confirmed that they have the required information. Do not hesitate to send someone to help lead the emergency team to the site. In the event of a large-scale disaster, only call emergency services if you're in imminent danger or you think you're a first-hand witness of the situation with valuable information. Otherwise, you risk blocking the emergency telephone lines.